In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your shield in Monopoly Go. Whether you're a seasoned player or just starting out, knowing how to personalize your game can make a big difference in your overall experience. Changing your shield can add a bit of flair and strategy to your game, so let's dive right in. First, we'll need to begin by opening the Monopoly Go app on your device. Make sure you have a stable internet connection, as this game requires it for the best experience. Once you've got the app up and running and you're on the main screen, you'll see a variety of options and menus that are part of the game's interface. Next up, direct your attention to the top left corner of your screen. Here you'll find an icon with three horizontal bars. This is commonly referred to as the menu or options button. Tap on these three bars to open up a list of additional settings and features that you can explore within the game. After tapping the menu icon, you'll see several options laid out before you. What you're looking for is something labeled My Showroom. This section is essentially your personal space within the game where you can see and adjust different elements such as tokens, backgrounds, and of course, your shields. Give it a tap and let's proceed to the next step. Once you're in the My Showroom section, you're getting closer to seeing all the available shields. You'll notice different categories, and right here, we need to tap on what's labeled as shields. By doing this, you'll open up the specific gallery where all your shields are stored. These shields are an important part of the game. They not only represent your style, but also play a role in protecting your assets during gameplay. At this point, you're only a tap away from customizing your game. You'll see all your available shields listed here. Take a moment to look through your collection. Each shield might have its own unique design and attributes, making this a fun way to express yourself in the game. Once you've made up your mind and know which shield you want to switch to, simply tap on that specific shield. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your shield in Monopoly Go. Now, with your new shield in place, you're ready to continue playing with a fresh look and maybe even a new strategy in place. Remember that personalizing your game can make it even more enjoyable. So, whenever you feel like changing things up, just revisit these simple steps. Enjoy your game and may luck be always in your favor.